A stasher is literally my most favorite thing in my kitchen these days. This is what it looks like. It's like a silicone kind of a lunchbox, and you can seal it from the top. And this is so good. All you do is you just open it and fill it up with your favorite veggies and meat. I've got some fish here and some vegetables, lemon, some spices, and then you just seal it from the top, and then you just put it in your oven. You can actually boil it also, and you can microwave it too, but I'm going to use my oven, and I just add this inside here. So you can marinate this in the fridge and then just put it in the oven or your microwave. So it's as simple as that. And the best part is that the food comes out so juicy and so delicious, because the juices from all these foods, they get into each other, and it's just the yummiest. So ever since I found this, I've only been using this.